train's already coming back.
What is that? What is that? Wait, there's actually nothing.
Such a beautiful view. I love to spend a day with like Walter Knott's or even Walt Disney and just like pick their brain for the day.
Oh, go behind me. Don't freeze me. No. Bertha! I was in front of you. Get back. I was in front. Go behind me.
Please stay seated. Welcome aboard. My name is Tim and I'll be your conductor on the trip on the Ghost on the Calico Railroad. The train will be leaving the station in a few minutes, so please remain seated with your hands and legs inside the train at all times, and the only thing allowed to smoke is the engine. So please, no smoking.
Silver bullet there, hanging underneath the track.
Railway opened back in 1952 and has been in daily operation ever since. The locomotive and railway cars you guys are relaxing are over 140 years old and used to carry passengers to and from Denver and the Rio Grande. If these cars could talk, they'd tell you tales of the gold rush, cowboys and settlers, dreams and fortunes, and the pioneer spirits of the West. Walter Knott himself was on hand for the dedication of this railroad, and his traditions have been maintained ever since. Enjoy your journey, and we'll see you in a couple years. Just kidding, we'll see you at the station.
Yeah, this guy's funny. Celebration for the little kids, different characters. Shout out to our buddy Slim, his sign there.
Hi, everybody, this here. And my partner and I, we're looking for anything shiny, so I will take gold nuggets. I will take silver nuggets. And to be fair, I haven't had lunch yet, so if you have chicken nuggets, we can also talk. So, who's got what? What do you got in the bag? That's cute. Yeah. Anything good? No? Are these your kids? Yeah? So you don't have any money? Yeah. No, I know those things are expensive. I get it. Yeah. What about your boyfriend here? Does he have any money?
I'm poor, I swear.
Well, at least she likes you for your personality. Definitely not because you're a snappy dresser. Are you okay? Huh?
I'm scared.
Oh, well. Was it because you fell off the stagecoach or something? What happened to your pants?
Ghost Rider.
Oh, okay. I mean, you didn't buy those like that, did you? No, okay. Yeah. I don't know what you're laughing at. You can't even afford pants. So, yeah.
I'm a federal employee, so.
Oh, man. Yeah. You need this more than I do. Oh, okay, good. I like that one. Just making sure. I'm guessing you don't have any money. Not only do you have no pants, but you spend money.
That will be $20. That's worth the drive.
Well, you know, it's not just about the robbery lifestyle for me. I also offer convenience. Like, for example, for $1, I'll take that fish hook out of your nose. Very generous. Right?
It happens for business. That's why.
Fish joke out of your nose. That's hilarious. It's the Roaring 20s area. Knott's Berry Farm. See Knott's Theater back there. Walter Knott Theater. We also have bumper cars. And on this side of it, you have a highway. So, road. A road. Play Frogger. Now we're getting to the boardwalk area. The hang time, and then you got Coast Rider, which is a mouse ride. And this rainbow looking track here is called the I went wrong. That's help me out here, Danny. This track here, the fast one. Yeah. It's accelerated.
Accelerator. Good Lord, my brain just went whoop. It's like a hot rod that you're driving on a track. Is that what it is? That is tall. Yeah, very, very tall. It's a lot big. Oh. Little storage area for the logs. And one of my favorite. Oh. Whoa, what's going on here? No, I did not want you to do that. That is a fun ride. See some of the behind the scenes stuff here. Some more chestnut trees. That is a no for me.
I wanted to torture myself, that is what I would go on. There we go. Stagecoach back in. This is back Fiesta Village area. What's great about the Fiesta Village and right where the train is, you've got so much going on. You have Silver Bullet, you have the Sidewinder, you have the Stagecoach, you have the train, all in one area. Silver Bullet again. And another Stagecoach. You've got a couple of them going on.